how to split a cell in Excel with two colors. In this example, you can find header 1 and header 2. So how we can give two colors. If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and let us know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. So first of all, how to diagonally split a cell in Excel. You can go to your home tab, click on alignment section or border section, and here you have two options. Either you can split diagonally from right to left or from this way, and click OK. Now it is split into two cells. Now how you will keep two headers in one cell in Excel. Keep the two headers. For example, I am typing header 1 here, header 1, put enter, header. Now you can see here is two header. Now I am giving one more enter here. Now the first one I am giving the space that it will go to the right, enter. Now you can see here it is two headers. How to split cell in Excel with two colors or into two colors. Go to insert, click on illustration, shapes. So from here you can choose either this one or the other one and select right angle, and you can insert here perfectly. Now you have two headers. You can format this header. For example, shape outline, you can make it unfit, then go here and change this color to. Now here you want to modify, just type header 1. You want to format it, right click, go to format text effect, go to your format dialog box. You can remove your margin, left margin, right margin, top margin. Similarly for header 2, either you can insert another one or you can type here and put alt enter and space. Otherwise you can also insert a text box and you can type your header 2. Similarly in the text box, just double click, go to save format, save fill, no fill, then go to your outline, click on no outline, just right click, format shape. Similarly your space, just height and width, and your margin, you can reduce your margin and close. Now you have, when to move around, you can move around easily. If you're watching the video for the first time, then please subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, then please like and share. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.